Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're still using only the built-in tools in Blender, you're missing out big time. In 2025 and early 2026, the community dropped some incredible free add-ons that make modeling, UVs, texturing, and animation way faster and more fun. Today I'm sharing my top 5 recently released or majorly updated free Blender add-ons that every artist should install right now. All of them are available on the official Blender extensions platform or GitHub, completely free, no paywalls. Let's dive in. Number 1. Mio3 UV. This is hands down one of the best UV tools to come out recently. It brings Maya-style UV workflows into Blender with super intuitive tools. Rectify, gridify, straighten, align seams, distribute islands evenly, and even UV to mesh conversion using geometry nodes. If you hate unwrapping, this add-on makes it enjoyable again. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, especially for character modeling. How to get it? Search Mio3 UV in Blender's Extensions tab or go to the website. Number 2. Yuk Paint, your free substance painter alternative inside Blender. This powerful add-on lets you paint with stacked image layers, vertex colors, and masks, all directly in Eevee or cycles. You get proper layer management, baking, and PBR channel support. Recent updates made it even more stable and feature-rich. If you want to texture without leaving Blender, Yuk Paint is the closest thing to a full painting suite for free. Download the latest version from extensions.blender.org or the GitHub releases. AI mocap just became accessible to every 3D animator. Quick Magic AI tracks full body motion from a single video and spits out clean animation data. No suit, no studio, no problem. I've been testing it and the results are genuinely impressive for indie animation workflows. If you want to try it, use my link below. You'll get bonus V-coins when you register. This is the future of character animation, and it's here now. Number 3. EdgeFlow. A must-have for anyone doing hard surface or organic modeling. It adds the famous set flow operator that perfectly matches edge loops to the curvature of your mesh. No more manual tweaking of loops around corners. It also includes tools for linear edges and vertex adjustments, essential for clean topology and retopology workflows. This one's been around but got fresh love and is now easily available via Blender Extensions website. If your models look boxy or wavy, EdgeFlow will fix your flow instantly. Number 4. Parallax node, released in 2025 and already a favorite for realistic materials. This adds a clean single custom node for parallax occlusion mapping, POM. It gives your flat surfaces real depth and detail without heavy geometry or displacement. Super easy to use. Just drop in your height map, adjust steps and bias, and boom! Bricks, fabrics, or rocky surfaces pop with fake 3D depth. Perfect for games or optimized scenes. Find it on Extensions Blender website. Free version is excellent. Number 5. Smear. For all you animators out there wanting that juicy 2D cartoon feel in 3D, this add-on creates stylized smear frames. Elongated in-betweens, multiple exposures and motion lines, automatically or with full control. It's part of a research project but fully usable and free. Great for cartoony characters, action scenes, or adding energy to your animations. Search Smear in Extensions or check Extensions Blender website. It turns stiff 3D motion into lively, exaggerated animation in seconds. Object Scatter Tool by Shizaku, released in January 2026. Want to scatter objects quickly without overlaps? This add-on does exactly that. One-click scattering with built-in collision detection. It's available for free or pay what you want on Gumroad. Great for quick vegetation, rocks, or props placement without diving deep into geometry nodes every time. Export Helper Pro, a complete free rebuild shared in January 2026. Tired of Blender's messy export menu with too many options? This add-on gives you clean, one-click exports to FBX, GLTF, OBJ, optimized for Unity, Unreal, and Godot. It remembers your last settings and makes batch exporting way smoother. Perfect for game devs and anyone sending files to other software. Michael Bridges dropped a full tutorial on X showing it in action, 100% free, link below. This procedural scar system is absolutely brilliant. One-Corn Hunter Sam creating geometry nodes plus curves-based scar generation in Blender 5? That's the kind of character detail tool we need. Procedural scar generation means infinite variations without manual sculpting. Draw a curve, get realistic scarring perfect for character randomization. Wipe tests looking this good already? Can't wait to see the final system. The detail and realism potential here is incredible. This is perfect for game characters, fantasy characters, warriors, anyone needing battle damage or weathering. The time savings would be massive. Free Snow Generator Blender add-on, a valuable addition to your Blender software. This add-on allows you to effortlessly create realistic snow effects, enhancing the visual appeal of your projects. With its user-friendly interface and versatile features, you can easily customize the snow settings to achieve the desired effect. Elevate your animations, scenes, and designs with the free Snow Generator Blender add-on, available now for download. Mesh Attachment Add-on, Quick Attach, created by Kushiro, is a free Blender add-on designed to simplify the process of attaching one mesh onto the surface of another. Instead of relying on modifiers or dealing with shrink wrap issues, the tool directly connects geometry to a target face, producing clean and solid results. This makes it especially useful for placing decorative elements onto larger meshes, such as pipes, vehicles, or background structures. Options such as bending all faces, depth offset, or merge geometry let users fine-tune how the source adapts to the target surface, from preserving its shape to fully bending with the curvature. Frustrated by empty asset libraries and misleading download sites? Let's talk about BlenderKit, the platform that just hit an insane milestone. Over 100,000 assets now available. You heard right, models, materials, HDRIs, node groups, even printables, all in one spot built into Blender. The big problem creatives face? Wasting hours hunting assets or getting stuck with basic cookie-cutter models. BlenderKit's secret sauce? Nearly 2,300 creators making unique, free assets anyone can use. Real community, real choice. BlenderKit is offering a 30% discount on its full plan subscription designed for small teams and providing access to more than 57,000 models. Looking to add some jaw-dropping sci-fi effects to your Blender projects? Meet the Sci-fi FX Shader add-on. This powerful tool lets you create cinematic visual effects with zero hassle. The best part? It's fully procedural. You get node-based controls and animated parameters to customize everything to your vision. No limits, no compromises. From pulsing energy fields to futuristic holograms, this shader was designed with sci-fi creators in mind. Whether you're designing motion graphics, sci-fi environments, or cinematic scenes, this add-on will elevate your project to a whole new level.